popping? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone, guys. I've got Lady N right here.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. Alright, guys. It's the second episode of What's Popping, guys. Came back with another hit. Yeah, it's episode by episode of it. So like, I'm Leo. Flame by flame.
Banger after banger.
Danger, gevaar. Manje, maar wat is gevaar? Yeah. So hope you guys are good and are having a good time right now, because we're still gonna get to a different segments here for the episode. Yeah, I hope you guys are good. Please subscribe, guys, and I hope you guys are watching the first episode, because the first one is very important because it's the introduction of the whole show and what we're doing. So in order for you guys to understand the show, you need to watch the first episode. You get it? Alright, Bafit, yeah, let's get to the latest update on Amapiano, because that's the first segment for the show, man. So Zingumalo is on the Glamour magazine cover, and I want us to speak about the influential impact that it has on artists, or generally in South Africans. Yeah, because like Glamour magazine, baby, it's a big magazine, and Uzi Abelapaya magazine, it really means a lot for not only for her but for industry.
Yeah, and nabantu abamlandelelayo like bafunda lukhulu kuyo, cause like like uZinxumalo ule manje le so nje guys, into enhle lento le, into enhle kakhulu usebenzile ukuze afike la akhona right now.
Yeah, I was planning
usebenzile kabuhlungu kabi, so nje I'm happy for uZinxumalo.
Oh yeah. I was planning about it because like Upagamise, I'm a South African artist firstly. And like obviously my available cover page, I mean like I'm an artist to our country, even the listeners, but I want to okay, and she really did embrace the Amapiano industry, because it's not like a lot of artists who available on my cover page, you know. Especially for a magazine, sorry guys. Especially for a magazine, yeah, it's a big impact, and it's a very positive impact. Like one of our artists in one magazine. People might think magazine into a dollar, but it's a second magazine, it still exists.
And guys, you go back with cover a magazine akusumdlalo. Akusumdlalo kuyabonisa ukuthi usebenzile. Akufakwa nanoma ubani.
Yep.
Akufakwa nanoma ubani, so nje cover a magazine ngayithatha nje light.
Alright guys, so we're gonna play like a few minutes clip on the on our show, just so you guys can have a glimpse on how she did the photo shoot for the cover. Alright.
Zingxumalo. Sanbona. This is your girl Zingxumalo. Welcome to my Glamour cover shoot.
So let's get to another one. The reminder about our releases, ne? September by DJ Apex and Lady N. To stream the track.
Download.
Uzobuye mandleni ube ne hope. Stream the track.
Please.
Yabo. Stream the track. Oh yeah. Nelinye bafethi marayile la kalihliza ne. Yeah, elami khona linye track ngilishayile for the Hotman movement.
Elama Hotman.
But the hashtag Amapiano is a lifestyle. Yabo. So yeah, ungamamela le track insimbi kuphela bafethi. So kuna vocal insimbi kuphela into zokuchila yabo. bafethu sisonke bafethu. So please stream those 2 songs. Nizoba mnandi, nizoba grand, especially kule new year lo esikuyo. It was the last day today of 2025. So we're shooting the show tonight. Yeah, because it's episode and we're feeling the vibe, man. You know, good vibes only because we're getting to a new year, which is 2026, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, let's get to another one because it's almost the end of the show. So guys, please follow us on all our social platforms. I'm gonna start by me then. Sorry.
Then it's Facebook.
Yeah. Whoops.
Please follow
Alright.
me on Facebook, Nompendulo Msibi, and then on TikTok, Lady N Nompendulo, and also on Instagram, Lady N Nompendulo,
Thank you.
and obviously on YouTube, Lady N.
Oh yeah.
Yes, please follow me, guys.
Yep. Yeah, and subscribe to YouTube again.
Yeah.
And then again, on IG, I'm DJ Apex _ and then on Facebook, I'm Sipesi Hlengwenya, as well as on TikTok, right? Yeah, on TikTok, I'm Sipesi Hlengwenya. So on YouTube, my channel is Apex Wave Studios. Apex Wave Studios is the main channel for the What's Popping show, and also Lady N channel is the other main channel for the show. Yeah, so please, guys, if you want to watch the show, it's either you go to Lady N or you go to Apex Wave Studios. Yeah, this is the second episode, guys, of the show, and we're really coming up with some more vibes.
Oh yes.
2026 vibes.
Yes.
Yeah. Washubani malumo ngukelo kusathi 2026.
Yeah.
'Cause we came to fix.
Yeah, guys. Ungakulungisanga bese ungabi stressed or like kubona ngazathi sehluleki. No. Awusisehluleki guys. Izinto azisifikeli ngokufana, you know.
Yeah.
So nje lesikhathi sakho siyazi nje 2026. Fix 2026, not 2026. 2026.
Fix.
Yeah.
Hey boy,
Bathi khamba.
yazi into namhlanje ithini?
Ithini?
Ithi laba abalibonile lelanga lokugcina la namhlanje bengizothanda ukuthi bandlulise ukubonga enkosini because khona bebafisa ukulibona abalibonanga besineyifiso nakulonyaka azifezekanga ukuthi zingafezekanga kulonyaka sokuye sifezeke ngonyaka ozayo. Ebafethu namhlanje bekungathi singangawakhanyisa ama-cricket, sinakutela nje sikhanyiseni amakhandlela sikuqeni ngedolo sibongeni kumdali because we've been through a lot. Ziningi izinto ezenzekile kulonyaka nefiso besifuna sifezeke azifezekanga kodwa socala ipage elisha 2026 anye ngithi 2026 sithi 2026 solungisa amaphutha kulonyaka loqalayo. Bafethu asibambaneni, sithandaneni, siqineni edolweni. Ngibonge namafans ayangikhuthaza. Ngiyabonga. Bengicela nje ungidlulise ukubonga bafethu ngothando kuphela.
Danko. Alright guys, we came to our conclusion of the show and we just want to say Happy New Year to you guys. Ningeneni kahle enyangeni omusha. Nibeni safe bafethu. Yeah, nibeni safe because sizwile bathi abaningi bazoyina leli Redbird Festival, abanye bazoyi Ultimate Shutdown 2.0, abanye ngazi bayaphi, but all roads leads to those 2 main events that I mentioned. So whether ukuphi, whether usekhaya, whether wenzani, guys, please stay safe. Because abantu bayasangana nowadays. Bayasangana
Futhi guys
sure.
makuyi-31 ngathi abantu abekho right. Sicishe
ababambeki.
sabona ingozi la sibuya
Like garage nje
garage yabo
fast.
because like abantu like angazi baba like too excited. So guys too excited. Sazi ukuthi like yabona everyone is happy ukuthi yeah ngifikile at the end of this year 31 December. Umphefumulo wami sahlangane nenyama asali guys. Lokho kuyajabulisa.
Yeah.
But like asikade nathi indlela esijabula ngayo bo. Singajabuli kuze kweqe ungasabheki lezinto ezenzayo.
Yeah, true. Yeah, so guys, we just want to conclude the show with a Happy New Year and please enjoy yourselves, guys. Ningeneni kahle enyakeni to 2026.
Oh
We hope you guys, you're going to do your best kulonyaka ozayo because as we said on the past episode that some of us unyaka wethu bongekho sharp, but abanye unyaka wabo sharp, you know. But amalanga afani, guys, you know. Yeah, stay true to yourself. And this is the end of the episode, guys. Oh yeah.
Amala. Bye.
Ayi.
Yeah.